Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
No, don't. Oh, he's busted. He's busted.
$75%. So I have two that pay their rent like they're supposed to. On time, all the time, ahead of time, regardless. Dummy, I'll still go through the light. That ain't gonna affect me now.
There was a bad crash and it's solid from Manuka Road. WB Easy Traffic is supported by Unbound, helping children and families in need. More at unbound.org. Coming up on Morning Edition, the author of an award-winning book on Hurricane Katrina helps to explain why the storm was so deadly for New Orleans and why it...
Cool.
I've seen like people complaining that they cannot rearrange their apps on the home screen of the iPhone. I was able to do that on my 7.
What the?
Now I cannot. Whoa.
A cheap? You.
In my, they all album is just a celebration. Like if you listen to it, you can hear it on the song Line 'Em Up. That's the biggest moment of the second album because that's when everybody gets to coming out with type of outfit they're coming out with type of.
What are you doing? It's my... Whoa! Go, bro!
After that, cop let us go. Told me just continue doing my job, which I did. I finished.
Oh, you went back? That guy doesn't know how good of a landlord he actually has. Nowhere I've lived have my landlords done regular maintenance on HVAC.
But don't get
Whoa! What a dick, man.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.